In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Word documents into Confluence. First, let's open Confluence and choose your site. Open Confluence from Atlassian Start by going to start.atlassian.com in your browser. If prompted, go ahead and sign into your Atlassian account so you have access to your workspace. Once you're signed in, click your Confluence site card in Atlassian Start to open the site you want to work in. Next, let's create a blank Confluence page. Click Create in the top navigation bar at the top of the screen. From the Create menu that appears, click Page to start a new document. Wait a moment for the blank page editor to fully open before moving on. Now let's open the Templates and Import panel. Click More Actions in the upper right editor toolbar, which sits right next to the Share button. In the More Actions menu, click Templates and Import to bring up the panel. Then click the Import tab in the panel on the right side of the page. Next, let's import the Word document itself. Under the Import tab, click Microsoft Word to launch the File Picker. In the File Picker window, open your Downloads folder where the document is stored. Click the setup file you want to bring in, which in this case is the Acme Customer Onboarding Plan Word file. Click Open in the File Picker to send it through to Confluence. Wait for Confluence to finish importing the document, since this can take a few seconds depending on the file size. Once it's ready, click Finish in the Import panel. Now let's review and publish the imported page. Confirm the imported content includes the heading Acme Customer Onboarding Plan at the top. Scroll through the page and confirm you can see the Project Overview heading, the Launch Checklist bullets, and the Team Roles table appearing correctly. When everything looks good, click Publish in the upper right editor toolbar. Leave the location and access settings exactly as shown in the Publish window without changing anything. Then click Publish in the Publish window to push the page live. The Word document is now a published Confluence page, carrying all the Acme Customer Onboarding Plan content. The headings, bullet list, and table all appear as editable Confluence content, and the published page is available in the selected Confluence space. Congratulations, you've successfully imported a Word document into Confluence.